Number 21. Reject an idea. It means to dismiss or not accept a suggestion or concept.
The committee chose to reject the idea immediately. The committee chose to reject the idea immediately. She rejected the idea as too risky. She rejected the idea as too risky. They rejected the idea of moving to a new office. They rejected the idea of moving to a new office.
Number 22. Reject a suggestion. It means to decline or not accept a proposed idea.
He politely rejected the suggestion during the meeting. He politely rejected the suggestion during the meeting. She rejected the suggestion to change the plan. She rejected the suggestion to change the plan. They often reject suggestions without much discussion. They often reject suggestions without much discussion.
Number 23. Relieve pain. It means to reduce or alleviate physical discomfort.
This medication can quickly relieve pain. This medication can quickly relieve pain. She uses heat pads to relieve pain. She uses heat pads to relieve pain. Gentle exercise can help relieve back pain. Gentle exercise can help relieve back pain.
Number 24. Remain constant. It means to stay the same over time without change.
The temperature in the room remained constant. The temperature in the room remained constant. Despite challenges, her dedication remained constant. Despite challenges, her dedication remained constant. He ensured the pressure remained constant in the tank. He ensured the pressure remained constant in the tank.
Number 25. Remain stable. It means to stay unchanged or steady, particularly in a favorable condition.
The patient's condition has remained stable for hours. The patient's condition has remained stable for hours. Prices have remained stable over the past year. Prices have remained stable over the past year. It's important for the economy to remain stable. It's important for the economy to remain stable.